going on, guys? It's been a long time since I made a video. Right now, out in New Jersey, the Hackensack River. I got some swim baits, and I got this bigger rod. We're gonna put some bloodworms on it. But yeah, parked here. A buddy of mine gave me a tip on where to go. It's mid-January, so it's cold. But yeah, apparently there's a bunch of stripers in this river here, which, I mean, news to me. It's pretty muddy. I guess the water comes up a little higher than this, but yeah, apparently they're supposedly fishing here. So I'm gonna see, how well we can do. I mean, it's really ripping. No promises. Not sure how this is gonna end up, but we'll see if we can get a striper today. All right, well, I'll see how deep it is at least. Yeah, a lot of current here on this bend. I don't know where the hell he was fishing. All right, well, that was just a little test run. A lot of current on this eddy, but I'm guessing he went, oh, there's like a trail. Okay, so I'm gonna follow that trail and see if maybe could find a better spot to fish. All right, so I got my mud boots on, praying that I can. How far will I be able to walk? Bigger question, but I got some bloodworms on here. I'm scared because, like, yeah, this is like, yep, it's about as far, right where the rock stop, it's as far as you can go. Right out in that current, boom. Is it moving? Please don't move. Please don't move. Stay. Stay in one place. Ooh, ooh, that's not a good spot. Damn. See, I might go to the eddy and just say F it. I still got my worms. Hell yeah. Yeah. Might just go right over to where I parked and set something up over there. Yes, there's current. It's kind of unfortunate, but on the upside to that, there could be fish in that current, and it's deep. It's very deep. All right, so I got this rod sort of in the ground, stationary. Current is really moving it though, which I don't know. On my end, I don't like that. But I'm gonna go over here and use a lure. Maybe. Can't tell if it's moving or what. That's the wind. I think it's just this current. That looks like a bunch. Yeah, it's not moving. Okay, maybe it is moving, but... Is it? No, I think it's in the mud. I think it's anchored down. So something takes it. Alright. I'm on a striper right now. That's a nice fish too. Come on, don't hit the rock. That's a decent fish. Where's the net? Come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? You big, ugly. Of course, I put my hat in the net and it's stuck with thorns and other shit. And it's dangerous and muddy. Come on. All right. Kids, don't try this at home. This is when you slip and you kill yourself. Come on. Get in the net. There we go. Got him. Ooh, I got him. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Holy shit. Oh, they're birds. Oh, they're birds circling. Okay. Ooh. That got me. Did I have this? It wasn't even in the mud. Alrighty. So, let's... oh, wow. This is a nice fish. Holy shit. This is probably like a 30-inch fish. Yeah, it's muddy. It's muddy. But we got him. Oh, boy. I got him. All right. Time to... Oh, yeah. This is a nice fish. Alright. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, this is not oh. First striper out of a river. Yeah, this is probably a 30-inch somewhat fish. Maybe 28, 30. This is a big boy. So just so you guys can check it out. First big striper out the river today. Whew. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Ready? That's a fish on there. Yep, that's fish. Yep. There we go. This looks like a decent one. I don't think it's as big as it, nah. Not as big as the last one, but it's a fish. It's a fish. Yeah. It's a small one. He ain't bad. You ain't bad. A lot of mud here. I don't want him getting roped up again like the last one. Shit. Yeah, he ain't crazy big. Yeah, I got him. All right, that's two. That's two. This is a much smaller one, but it's a fish. I'm gonna try to get up this as best as I can. without killing myself, of course. Just get a quick look at this fish. Come on. Oh, another nice striped bass. It's probably 26, 27 inches long. All right, let me get, all right, come on. I don't know. Here you go, buddy. Whew. Nice fish, though. Whew, that was a good one. That was a big hit. Even smaller fish. Holy shit. I thought the rod was gonna fucking come off. Is it a smaller fish? Yeah, oh, he's just wrapped, that's why. I got a feeling a smaller fish. He just coiled himself. I might even just be able to flip this fucker. He ain't that big. Oh, yeah. Oh, you tiny boy. Yeah, I could flip this fish easy. Yeah, he ain't big. I'm not wasting my net on you. Yeah. Oh yeah, I hooked him through the fin there. Nice striper, third one of today. Go right back in there. And he is out skis. Whew. So yeah, see right at that bend. They're not here, it's deeper here, but they're hugging right along there on that edge, which actually is out of the way of all the garbage that's going in here, and that works out for me. So I got about 39% battery left. I think it's because the cold's wearing it out. I charged the thing, but I'm gonna save the battery. If I don't get anything, this is the end of the video. And it was a success. Showed up, random spot, never been here before. Got a big striper, didn't think that was gonna happen. Fantastic. Didn't really get the hook set on tape just because this bell was going off like crazy. My camera was in my pocket. Had to get everything set up and arranged to get the footage. But the fight's on there, which is great. And you know, we're back out here again. Bell's on. See if anything takes it. Might have to put bigger worms on, but we shall see. No, that's a fish. Yeah, that's a fish. Yep, that's a fish. This feels like a nicer fish. I want to take the fucking bell off. He's on there. He's definitely on there. I can't tell how big he is though. He's fighting pretty good. Oh, it's a little guy. Yeah, this might be even flippable. I don't even know if I want to waste the net on him. Yeah, maybe net him. Just because, do I want to break my rig? Probably not. This is the part that I don't like. Just trying to. How? Okay. Yeah. Right. He ain't big, but it's a fish, so I'll take a fish. Yeah. He's a little guy. All right. His eyes all f***ed up. Okay. Okay. His eyes messed up. Yeah, this is a smaller fish. Smaller fish. Probably the smallest one I've caught here. Actually, he's got a mark on him. Something took a bite out of him. I think I have a fish. No. What the f***? Oh, that's a... Yeah, it's a fish. Holy shit. I'm sitting here going, I think I have a fish. And then, yeah. Small striper. Is it? No, it's a decent striper. All right, well, that's why I have a big net. Oh no, come on, get in there. Gotcha. Oh yeah. Oh, he's pretty good. That's not a bad one. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a nice thick boy. It's a nice fish. Can't see. It's weird because when the camera's on my head, I don't know where I can angle it. So you can see this nice fish here. Can you get the whole angle here or here? Yeah, every time I've done the editing, I've always seen the fish sort of in and out. All right. Take it easy there, partner. To that. It's like a 28-inch fish. 27, 28. Which, that's not bad. That's not bad.